Hi, hello. So today I'm going to show you a cool photography hack. I just came up with it just now and I felt the need to share it with you as part of my content. So I'm photographing it's photographing a word. I still get nervous on camera, so forgive me. I'm photographing or I'm taking pictures of the bracelets and I used my light box. Well, it's not a fancy one, but it works for me. So I hope you learn from this. And I'm excited about it. I just discovered the idea. So let's get to it. Bye. And that's all I wanted to share with you guys. I think it looks awesome. I'm going to be doing that for the other accessories that I have. You can also go and try it at home, and you can also share with the world how it looks for you. Goodbye and have a great day.